What's going on, YouTube? It's Mark, the Mercado channel. Welcome back, guys, to a brand new video. As you can see, I got my NCCS badge. I got my candy machine in the car. I'm going to deliver a machine real quick. New location. I'm excited. It's a tire place. I'm super stoked. This is the first machine I get out in like a month. So, guys, stay tuned, because I'm just going to show you me taking it out the car, placing it. And yeah, guys, new location. And yeah, don't go anywhere. Alright, guys, we're gonna get this bad boy out of the car. It's the NCCS stickers, candymachinelabels.com. Ernie Brown, clean machine, ready to go in. And there you have it, guys. We're leaving. Nice clean machine, wiped it down, made sure all the candy was venting as you should, guys. Keep your machines clean. Make sure they're running before you actually walk away from the business. You always want to make sure that you're leaving the machine and the business in good shape for at least 2 weeks to a month. Next time I'll come in is in about a month to service it. And yeah, guys, I'm gonna be placing one more soon, so stay tuned. Competitor, here it is, guys. Alright, guys, machine just placed. I just placed the machine. We got a competitor in there with gumballs, but they were tired of gumballs, so I brought in my candy machine. So hopefully it does good, guys. So I'll see you home, and yeah, it's been a pretty good day. So, guys, I'm back home. The queen is right there cooking. She's got some spaghetti and meatballs today. I'm not eating that. You know, I'm still doing the keto. I'm taking it light. I'm eating healthy and doing the keto, guys. But that's besides the point. We placed 2 machines today, 2 triple heads in a tire place, both tire places. Now I'm gonna take you guys downstairs, show you what else I have down there. I don't have much machines left, but we are gonna be placing a couple more, hopefully this week or next week. So, guys, stay tuned, and let's go downstairs and end the video. First off, we're all stocked up, but you know, this video is not about the boxes, but anyways, you know, we're stocked up nicely there, candy. And guys, this is all we have left. A triple head to go out and 2 gumball machines. I got rid of the ones that were right there. 2 gumball machines. There's our labels, candymachinelabels.com. Shout out to my brother Ernie Brown. Beautiful NCCS charity labels. I got another gumball machine here that I'm going to place in one of our current honor box locations. And I got another triple head here that I need a label for. If not, I'm just going to place in a business and offer commission. But guys, that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is the Mercado channel, guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.